Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will look at my Accenture interview experience. So this video will provide you with a clear outline about how the process started up till how I joined the company, to be specific. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get started into the video. My Accenture hiring was on campus. So it was not off campus, it was on campus. And there were 3 rounds in my interview process. All right. So I got my field notes. So I'm not going to miss anything because I've noted down everything that is required for you. So எதுவுமே வந்து miss பண்ண மாட்டேன். So don't worry about that. All right. So first one, the very first round in my interview was aptitude as usual. எப்படி நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, we were asked to use our own systems. We used our own systems, although it was on campus. That lasted for about, I think, 2.5 to 3 hours, if I'm right. It was 2.5 to 3 hours. First was aptitude. In aptitude, it was mainly logical reasoning and verbal ability. Okay, both of them are really easy to crack. So தயவு செஞ்சு அதெல்லாம் போய் தப்பு பண்ணாதீங்க, ஓகேவா? And towards the end, I've also attached other important details. நான் சொல்றேன். So stay until the last of the video. Alright, so aptitude is mainly logical reasoning and verbal ability. Just practice all possible problems and you'll be able to crack it. So first, aptitude happens. After the aptitude assessment completes, if you're pass or fail, okay, everything ordinary, you'll be able to know if you're pass or fail. It'll be displaying on the screen, okay? So that will be there. So once you pass aptitude, it will move to the next section on the same day. So round 1, 3 different sections are நடக்கும். First section is aptitude, which will be mostly logical and verbal, a little bit of numerical ability. அதில் பாஸ் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா you'll move towards the next section, which is technical aptitude. Technical aptitudeல என்னென்ன கேட்பாங்க அப்படின்னா, it will be from C, C++, Java, Python, all the basic programming languages. So when you're applying for Accenture, okay, you'll be asked to choose a form wherein they'll ask you for your skill sets. If you choose C or Java, then the technical aptitude questions will be from C or Java. Else, it'll come from whatever language you're choosing from. அது வந்து ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கு எது நல்லா தெரியுமோ அதை சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜஸ் கூட, ஸோ திஸ் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜஸ் plus there'll be a little bit of networking and cloud concepts. So networking cloud வந்து back in 2024, I was not at all aware of it. நான் எப்படி கிளியர் பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா, I referred a lot of YouTube videos. I tried to learn from my seniors. நான் அப்படி தான் வந்து கிளியர் பண்ணேன். But mostly I scored in the programming side. Okay. So the technical aptitude will be programming plus cloud concepts as well as networking. Section 2. முடிஞ்சிச்சா? So first is aptitude, then we've got technical aptitude, and then the third round will be your coding round. So aptitude la pass aanada, you'll be able to go to the technical round. Only if you pass in the technical round can you go to the coding round. Alright. The coding round will comprise of 2 questions. Okay, one will be pretty easy, and the next one will be a bit difficult. I wouldn't say very difficult, but just a bit difficult. இதுக்கு வந்து நான் டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிக்கணுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் கற்றுக்கிறது வந்து நல்லது. இட்ஸ் அட்வைசபிள். பட் யூ கேன் மேனேஜ் வித்தவுட் டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் ப்ரொவைடட் யூஆர் ஸ்ட்ராங் வித் த ஃபண்டமெண்டல்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் அண்ட் த கான்செப்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் இன் த வாட் எவர் லாங்குவேஜ் யூர் குட் அட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் round 1. So to summarize, round 1 was made up of 3 sections. Aptitude, which comprised of logical reasoning as well as verbal. And then we had technical aptitude, which was basically programming languages plus cloud as well as networking. And then we had the coding round. Now, remember this point very carefully. In 3 of these rounds, okay, only if you pass one section, you can go to the next section. Else, you will not be able to progress further on the day 1, round 1. Okay, this is how it happened to me in August 2024. In 2024, this is how the process happened. I'm not aware of how the process is right now. I'll share my process experience in this video. And in future, I will try to collect experiences from the recent candidates and I will upload it on the channel as well. So don't worry about that. Alright, so round 1 is complete. After the round 1 is complete, you will receive a message in your WhatsApp. I would have given a number, right? You'll receive a message in your WhatsApp itself saying that you have completely progressed day one, round one. And then you will also receive a mail informing you, it's more like an informative mail, okay? They'll inform you that you are shortlisted for the communication round. ஸோ கம்யூனிகேஷன் ரவுண்ட் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் என்ன நடக்கும் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா it is actually very easy. At the same time, the communication round is not a filtering round. Okay, the interview could be filtering. Interview is filtering, but the communication round is not a filtering round. So what will happen is you can expect questions from these kind of scenarios. One is that ஒரு ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணுவாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் வாட் ஐ ரிமெம்பர். ஓகே, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணுவாங்க. பண்ணிட்டு you'll be asked to record that sentence in your voice and then upload it. This is one type of question that they can ask. The next thing is that they will play an audio and they'll ask you to repeat that audio. This is the second type. The third type, an audio will be played and there'll be questions on the side. So based on this audio, you'll be expected to answer these questions. So this is another type that you can expect in your communication round. All right. So I think this also lasts for about 65 to 70 minutes. Something between 50 to 70 minutes. Okay. So the communication round goes. Once the communication round is complete, you will not receive any confirmed status like round 1 la kadicha madhi, round 2 la vandu kadikadu. They'll just send a mail that the communication round has been complete. அடுத்து ஒரு 2-3 days கழிச்சு what will happen is you'll receive an interview invite. My interview invite was purely virtual. Online தான் நடந்துச்சு. I attended it from home. And some things that I want to tell you when you're appearing for interview is that don't wear your college ID cards when you're sitting for interviews, first thing, because I did that mistake and I was asked to remove it when I was sitting for my interview. The second thing is dress well. Okay. Try to be presentable, sit in a good lighting. Okay, have a plain background, sit in a good lighting, be presentable, sleep well, eat well, and then appear for your interviews because this is something that is going to basically design your career, right? So let's get back to whatever we were talking. So interview was virtual. It lasted for about 20 to 25 minutes. And the questions were purely based on my resume. Okay. And what are the things that I did before I appeared for the interview and what are the exact questions asked? I'll try to upload a separate video on that because that is a bit elaborate. Okay. The main purpose of this video is basically to cover the entire process. Okay. So time pattadu na thaniya or video la full ah explain maata. Okay. So round 1 la vandu we'll have aptitude, technical aptitude and coding. 2 will be communication and then you'll have your interview. Interview clear பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா congratulations, you'll get selected into Accenture. You'll receive the letter of intent. Okay. Now here is the plot twist. Okay. You'll receive the letter of intent, but you cannot you can get happy, but don't get that overconfidence that that the process is only so much. அப்படி வந்து நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. The reason is because after you receive your letter of intent, that is where the main part starts. Okay, they'll put you into training and you should pass the training. That is very, very important. Why? Because the training is very crucial for you to get into Accenture and be mapped to a project. That is very, very important. Now we will take a look at what happens post your letter of intent. So before LOA வரைக்கும் என்ன நடக்கும்னு பார்த்தாச்சு. Now we look at post letter of intent. So post receiving your offer letter or LOI, will be put into training. That training will last for about 4.5 to 6 months. Okay, 4.5 to 6 months. It is divided into 3 phases: primers, delivery training, and stream training. 3 phases of training is available. For me, my training was at home. It happened at home in the virtual mode. And the timeline for the training, I would say, is that primers lasted for about 10 to 14 days, so typically 2 to 3 weeks. And my delivery training was for another 1 to 2 days. And sometimes they will extend the window. So that is for about a week, just say, possibly. Okay. And then the stream training will happen for 1.5 to 2 months. Okay. Primers it is not for filtering process once again, but you must pass your primers with a 60% above than 60% score to be eligible to get a bonus. Join பண்ணும்போது ஒரு bonus credit பண்ணுவாங்க. அது உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா primers கண்டிப்பா 60% மேல எடுத்திருக்கும். And the next thing is that the delivery trainingல உங்களுக்கு assessments பெருசா இருக்காது. I mean proctored assessments இருக்காது, but குட்டி tasks and courses complete பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Stream trainingல ஃபைனலா ஒரு assessment வைப்பாங்க. That is the main part. Okay. And the assessment you should focus really well. You should learn and you should learn really well basically that first, the stream training, the 2 months, because the effort that you put in will be reflected on your exam that day. And you should receive again 60 to 65% above proficiency to be eligible to join Accenture. Only if you clear that will you be able to join the company. So this is what happens after the LOI. Now, some of you might be worried and ask me, Akka, I got selected. Akka, I got the letter of intent, but my training hasn't started. Don't worry. I got selected in October 2024 and my training started in 2025 July. So that is nearly a huge gap. Okay, I think 5 to 6 months. Yeah. So அதை பற்றிலாம் காலையே படாதீங்க. செலக்ட் ஆகிட்டீங்க, அசஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ராப்பராக பாஸ் பண்ணி செலக்ட் ஆகிட்டு எல்ஓஐ வந்துருச்சு அப்படின்னாலே யூ வில் பி புட் இன் டு ட்ரைனிங். இஃப் யூ ஆர் பேஷண்ட் இனஃப் வேறு கம்பெனி ட்ரை பண்ணல அப்படின்னா தாராளமாக ட்ரை பண்ணி யூ கேன் கிவன் ஃபார் Accenture. So this is about the stream training process. Once stream training is complete and you have passed the assessment, another thing, there are 4 attempts. Okay, for stream training assessment there are 4 attempts. There are different streams and you'll be allowed to choose a stream. Like after your primers is complete, after your delivery training is complete, stream training போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி they will provide you with a form asking what is your area of specialization or what do you wish to learn in stream training. If you fill out that form and submit, அதாவது நீங்களா ஒரு ஸ்கில் வேணும் அப்படின்னு சப்மிட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம் வைப்பாங்க. That exam is called My Competency. Okay. அந்த எக்ஸாமில் நீங்கள் அவங்க சொல்கிற அந்த க்ரைட்டீரியா மீட் பண்ணி பாஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீம்லேயே உங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரீம் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுப்பாங்க. Else, if you're not able to do that, what they'll do is they will try to allocate the stream that you've chosen, or else they will allocate a stream out of their own interest. See, all of this is automated. Okay, nobody's sitting there manually choosing that Riya is going to get this stream, Sham is going to get this stream. That is not going to happen. Everything is automated, so don't worry about that. This is just an information that I wanted to tell you guys. Okay, so stream training. I was in Cloud Stream. I was specialized in Microsoft Azure. Okay, so I'm an Azure guy. I was specialized in Azure and I cleared my stream training and I joined Accenture later on. So this is about the entire process right from registration to the stream train. Okay, இங்கே நான் ஒரு ஸ்டெப்லையும் என்னென்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்றது மட்டும்தான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். And I have told you about the before LOI process a bit clearly. Okay, if you want a specific video about the interview questions asked in Accenture interviews, or if you want to know how the primer stream as well as the delivery training, how to pass the exams, or what are the things that we can expect in those in that phase. Okay, I'll try to post a video. Please, if you have any doubts, drop it in the comment section. I will respond to them as well. And do subscribe to my channel to receive further notifications on further videos. And another thing that I wanted to tell you was I have attached a link in the description that has got resources from which we refer to. I refer to சொல்ல முடியாது because I got it from my friends, like all of us who tried Accenture. So we referred with the help of this link and some resources. Do check them out. They will really help you crack Accenture. So we've come towards the end of the video and that is pretty much it. So if you've liked the video, drop a like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications about the future videos that I'm uploading. I'll see you again in another video, and